Hello, what's up all, and welcome back again to our channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video, it's another interesting video like the last one, whereby I'm going to be transforming a two-bedroom house for my friend, and I'm starting by making this dining table. So as you can see, just watch clearly the measurements for the table, follow the videos, and make sure to watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand and see all the transformation processes and steps that are followed. Let's start the video. Anyway, if this is the kind of content you like, kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. So, and if this is your first time clicking on our video, we appreciate you and welcome to our channel, All Things With Us. Thank you for joining our family. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, don't forget also to like this video, comment on it, tell me what you think about it, and make sure to stick to the end so that you can enjoy the full details, the full processes and steps that are followed while doing this job. After I'm through with making the holes on top of the frame, because those holes that you see me drilling there are the ones that I'm going to be using screw nails to attach this top that I'm cutting into size right now. So I'll be using the holes to pass the screws or to tighten the screws to this top. And then for this top, my friend wanted these corners to be kind of round because they have a kid and he didn't like the idea of the table having these corners. So I'm just using this machine to cut out these corners, and then after that I'm going to be using contact glue, but you will see later on in the video. And also I'm going to be using Formica to cover the top. It brings out a nice marble effect on the top of this table. And then for the edges I'm going to be using a wood filler to fill some gaps there and do some sanding. And then I'm going to be painting the edge of this table using a white paint because the Formica I'm going to be using have some white and gold. And then for the frame I'm going to be painting the frame gold. This is the colors my friend wanted, this gold. You can see that I've already paint the frame. Now I'm just attaching this frame to the top part, that is this board that I've already prepared. So just continue watching the video and don't forget to like it and commenting on it, and also most probably share with your friends and family. So this was another day. I went and did transform the bed. This is the bedroom that I was working on. So this is the before. This is how their bed looked like. You can see it's an old bed, and I'm going to be transforming it into a modern bed. So also, if you want to see the full video on this, just visit our channel, and you can see the bed. You will see this bed because it has a green, it's a channel bed that have a green fabric, but also you will see here how it looked. So if you are interested to see the full transformation on this bed, just visit our channel. Also, we do a lot of bed transformation videos, and all of them are in this channel. So just visit our channel and watch all of them if that is the kind of content you like. So here I'm just going to be showing you short clips on how I did transform this bed. So keep watching, keep enjoying the video. So this was also another day where I did the delivery for the table, and as you can see on the screen, I'm just going to be setting up the dining table, and after setting it up, you'll just see in the video, and then I'm going to be showing you a small final reveal on this dining table. Also, I'm going to be showing you a final reveal on the sitting room, and as you have seen the final reveal in the bedroom where I did transform the bed. Yeah, so just stick to the end of the video so that you can see all the small touches that we did in this house. So here we are just going to be working with 2 dining chairs, as you can see on the screen, but the table itself, it's a 6-seater, so we are going to be adding 2 more chairs later on, but it will not be in this video. So we are going to be working with these chairs that you see. this is how the seats looked like. You can see in the picture here, and we did also transform them, but we didn't record that. But you have seen that the color have changed. We did use this gray fabric because that is the fabric my friend wanted, and also we did buy some throw pillows and place them there. We have some plants there at the window. And also we did install the wallpaper, as you can see on the screen, and this is how the whole sitting room looked like. And also we did install the chandelier, as you can see on the screen. And then for the TV stand, there is a full video on it, on how we did make the TV stand, also how we did mount the TV, and every little thing that we did in the sitting room. All videos are in my channel, so just visit the channel so that you can see full videos on it. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share and commenting on it. Tell me what you think about this one today. Thank you for watching.